otherwise known as the Next Gen Librarian. Welcome back to Tech Appetizers, episode 2. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite tools to use in the library and in the classroom, and that is Adobe Express. Adobe Express allows students to create original content as well as use artificial intelligence to help enhance their final products. I like to use it in the library as a menu option for a final product creation. If I was doing 6-word book talk, for example, the students could choose to use Adobe Express to create their final product. And then they share it with me in our LMS platform. So I wanted you to kind of see the home screen of Adobe Express. I love how they already have like the templates at the top for different options you could use. My students love to choose the social media option because that's what they're like the most familiar with. But they could also create videos, photos, they can create documents and marketing pieces. This right here is their generative AI tool. Anytime you see that little star, you're going to have that option. So what do you want to make? If my students, today is actually Random Acts of Kindness Day. And so I wanted to create a beautiful graphic for that. So I went to create an Instagram square post, which is great because it's already sized for me for the platform that I plan to share it on. So what you can do is you can see, remember that little star right there? Text to template, and you can type in exactly what you're looking for, and then it will generate it. I typed in random acts of kindness, and it kind of had these options that were AI created. I ended up choosing this one, but it didn't have this photo. The colors and the font were different. So I love that I can take their sort of suggestions and then alter it to fit the needs exactly of what I'm looking for. So this is something I'll be posting later on social media. It's great if I click that share button, I can publish it to the web and then allow others to remix it, which is what I plan on doing. And then it already has the social media platforms I can use. I can add it in my Google Drive. It's a lot of different ways for students to share that with me. So, if you are not an Adobe Express user yet, I highly recommend that you do some investigation and add this into your classroom or library toolbox. Thanks so much.